What's up, guys? Matco Michael just pulled up. We got some stuff we need, so let's go take a look and see what he's got.
No, I sold it.
Got it feeling good in here.
Sure does.
Well, hey, just
Here's a
lot of people don't do string.
Linebacker tool.
Drawbacks.
This one I was going to talk about getting for those other brakes that we've been doing. I guess get me a price on them Matco Michael.
Which ones?
That wind-back tool.
It's like it's on sale this week.
Oh, good. That's what I like on sale. I think the small one will do better than the big one. Yeah, it might do better. It says 4 and 1. I don't know. I'll just open it up and look at it. $24.
Plus a little bit.
Plus a little bit.
The small one there is on sale for $66. They priced that one there.
How much is that wind-back kit?
This one works good on like trucks, Tundras, stuff like that. It'll work on Camrys and stuff too. Where it runs into an issue is when it's got a really small caliper. That one fits in it.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Which one is that? The small one?
Yeah, this one.
I had this one and I made it work on just about every car. But now they're coming out with these calipers that's a lot smaller.
Yeah.
So I say every Toyota I work on, I can make it work on, but I also had another one just in case.
Never hurts to have a just in case.
It's universal lineback 132.
This one won't work on the smaller stuff, though.
Well, it'll work on. It works on more than what you think. It's just the only problem you run into there is when it's like your Tundras and stuff. You got the front and the back of the caliper are high built, so you can't. There's no opening. It's closed in on the sides, so that don't work. So I had that for that.
Yeah, that won't work on 4-piston calipers.
Yeah.
So this one would probably be a better fit all for
Yeah, because
everything.
here's what I tell people on that one. Even if that one is a little too small, if it won't press it all the way back, you just wind it back, put your brake pad back in there, and your old
Crank it
brake
again.
pad, and now you got the same depth as that one.
Right.
That's what I've always done, is let the old brake pad
That's what we
in.
did was put the old brake pad in and use a C-clamp.
That small one was a new release this year, so they didn't have that option when I was turning wrenches.
Boy. What you think, Wally?
I'd seen them soft jaws, but I think those were here last week. Yep.
You got anything new this week?
I do. I have a couple things actually. We have these new striker rings that slide over the bolt. So if it's stripped out, it's supposed to go on there. Then you take a wrench. It works up to I think 80% rounded. Yeah, 80% rounded. So those are new. There's part number there. Then I've got the new ball joint press, which I'm sure everybody has probably saw at this point on, you know, Facebook or anything else. But I've got it
That's a funny looking joker.
So it is, but you know, even watching the videos and stuff like that, it just don't do it justice. Of course, the cups are a quick snap, so they just snap on the O-ring, and then it's quick adjust, so I can take it off far quick. You're not gonna bend it. You can't do it over video, but you can tell them how heavy that is. So that's not gonna warp at all. Of course, it's completely adjustable on the front as well, so if you need to tighten a gap or anything like that. So the good thing about that one is when you tighten the bolt, you're not directly over it. So when you're doing a bottom ball joint or something, you don't have to take the top one out to be able to get your impact on it. So
that is nice. How much is this on?
the way it sits there, it's about 7. When you get, but see, they've made it to where it fits other cups. So if you already have the cups, whether it be Snap-on, Cornwell, OTC, if you already have the cups, they'll snap on. If you need the cups and all, it runs about 1,000 or so. 50 pounds of pressure with the old style give you about 1,500 to 2,000 psi on the ball joint. 50 pounds of pressure on that one, it gives you right at about 7,000 psi.
Holy cow.
So where it's coming in a lot is the Dodge techs. I've never personally done a Dodge, but they say that the ball joints on them suck. And there's a video going around of a guy doing a Dodge, and it takes him like 5 minutes with this thing. You know, it's just between the multiplying torque, it's just crazy.
That's pretty sharp right there.
So I've got that one pre-sold. I'm hoping when I deliver it, I hope he's got one that I can really get my hands in and help him play with it, right? So I don't
Pretty
have no
cool.
Don't have no ball joints to do myself, but I want to at least play with it at some point in time.
That's sharp right there. That's so nice.
I do not have a cube. It's showing 0 in stock.
0 in stock. You know what he just did, Wally? That way he can sell us the more expensive tool. That's the same. He probably went like this. He probably went, nope, I don't got one. You have to buy that more expensive tool. What you done, eyeball Bill?
Look at them crooked pliers.
Look like a nanner, don't they?
Says 5 in 1. Look like they got some wire strippers and needle nose.
They'd be ready with that, Bill. You know how you love them wiring jobs.
Yeah.
Ooh, Wally'd be happy to get some drill bits back. I can go poking some holes now. You missed your drill bits, haven't you?
Big time.
Alright guys, I'm going to get that small brake caliper kit and that wind back tool for the calipers. There's the part number on them. And there's looks like what Wally's getting, and I think Bill's still shopping.
Man, I done bought me a receipt before y'all even got here.
Uh-oh, look at that. Alright guys, like always, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, be sure to hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button, cause
Totally free.
totally free. Bill said it's $3,000.
That's right.
You guys have a great weekend. We'll catch you next time.